Last week, we exposed the 3 common foods secretly sabotaging your testosterone and energy. If you eliminated those killers, the seed oils, the soy, and the artificial sweeteners, you're already feeling the difference. But now, it's time to talk about the real battlefield, the gut and the belly fat. For men over 40, belly fat isn't just cosmetic. It's an active, dangerous hormonal furnace. That visceral fat around your organs is actively converting your precious testosterone into estrogen through an enzyme called aromatase. The more belly fat you have, the more you accelerate the symptoms of midlife decline, fatigue, low drive, and brain fog. But there is an ultimate secret weapon. It's not a dangerous pill. It's not grueling cardio. It's a simple, ancient, and highly strategic dietary hack that directly addresses the root cause of male belly fat, chronic insulin resistance, and a stagnant liver. Welcome back to the Midlife Diet. Today, we reveal the #1 secret weapon for men over 40 to systematically burn stubborn belly fat, stabilize blood sugar for all-day energy, and unlock powerful, sustained hormone health. The secret weapon is called intermittent fasting, specifically the 16-8 method. Now don't switch off. This is not starvation. This is a strategic timing of your meals that turns your body from a constant sugar-burning engine into a fat-burning machine. We are moving away from the standard American diet, which is built on keeping your insulin constantly elevated. High insulin is the signal to your body to store fat, especially around the midsection. This is known as the insulin tsunami. When you stop grazing for 16 hours, 3 incredible and scientifically verified things happen. Insulin sensitivity is reset and stabilized. HGH surge for muscle protection. Autophagy begins cellular deep cleaning. By reducing inflammation and lowering visceral fat, intermittent fasting creates the perfect hormonal environment for naturally increasing testosterone. The Midlife Protocol: how to start intermittent fasting. Step 1. Start with 12-12 for 3 days. Step 2. Move to 14-10 for 1 week. Step 3. Shift to the target 16-8 method. During the 16-hour fast, hydrate with water, black coffee, or unsweetened green tea. Avoid all calories. Don't open the 8-hour window by overeating junk. Focus on lean protein, healthy fats, and cruciferous vegetables. Poor sleep increases cortisol and belly fat. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep. Avoid heavy cardio while fasting in the beginning. Prefer light walking or resistance training before breaking the fast. Include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut during the eating window. Boost gut bacteria and fat-burning metabolism. Combine the elimination of the 3 killer foods with this intermittent fasting strategy. Boost testosterone and burn stubborn belly fat. If you want to win the fight against midlife decline, hit subscribe. Next episode: the 3 most overlooked testosterone-boosting exercises for men over 40. This content is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or supplementation routines.